Nandini from Vadapalani QSpiders Chennai, and I am a Java trainer. Here we got one placed student. Congratulations to you.
Thank you.
Okay. Can you share me tell me about yourself?
My name is Mr.kalaivendhan. I'm from Vadapalani and I have completed electrical and electronic engineering from Government College near Tanjavur. I am currently staying in Chennai for my education purpose.
Okay. When did you join Vadapalani QSpiders, and what are the skills that you have learned from the Vadapalani QSpiders?
I joined in September 2023 and I have learned so many skills there, especially Java, SQL and web technology and advanced Java skills.
Okay. And at which company you got placed, and what is the designation they have given to you, and what is your salary package?
Basically, it's a reputed company as a Java developer and I got 2.4 pay per annum.
Okay. And what are the activities that you help to move to get placed in a company?
The trainers in QSpiders Vadapalani and grooming sessions they were conducted, and the mock tests frequently they conducted me, helped me move lot to places and stuff.
Okay. Congratulations. All the best.